Hey guys, Mr. Light is here with Ultimate Spider-Man. Hang on, that's the landmark token. Awesome. Right, let's go on the next story mission, shall we? Let's go see what's going on in this flipping game. What's going to happen next? Last time it was Venom going on a rampage, attacking Silver Sable's goons. Which to me is no flipping surprise there, to be honest, because, well, Venom tends to do that when somebody's trying to attack him. His response to being attacked is to attack them right back. Note to self, never anger Venom. Seriously, that's the one thing you must never do. You anger Venom, you'll regret it for the rest of your very short life. Right, pretty obvious we're going to the Daily Bugle. Wait, I saw that. I want that token. Darn it. Hang on. Try that again. Darn it. Oh, there we go. Up we go. And landmark token again. Wow, 2 landmark tokens. That's pretty awesome. I wonder what the next mission is. Well, we'll find out.
I can't believe I ate the whole thing.
What the? Are you kidding me? You literally had a tummy ache, so I've got to take you to the flipping hospital? Okay, let's do it. Let's get you to the hospital. Back.
Thanks, Spider-Man.
Well, that's another one of those out the way. Wait, what? Are you kidding me? There are flipping 2 of them? Oh my, are you joking? Can I actually do this in time?
School's having sloppy joes.
Okay, basically, I've now got to get to the hospital, like, quickly as heck. Oh, flip, I made it!
Way to go, Spidey.
Wow, that was close. Well, that's that done. Finally out the way. Okay. I mean, that was a bit of a distraction. Wait, that's not the Daily Bugle. Oh, it's the university. Okay. I think I know what I'm doing. I've suddenly realized I think I know what the mission is. Yeah, I know this mission. This is going to be tough now. Get ready for this.
Are you okay?
My head is killing me. It's just pounding so hard. I think it's my spider sense thingy going nuts. You might need to get somewhere safe.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it's war. They're here together to cause mayhem.
Eddie? Oh my god. I thought my head is killing me. What's going on?
Welcome to a very annoying fight.
Oh god. My head. Just being near Eddie is...
Yep, this is actually one of these fights that you'll see that is rather irritating. That's what I'm looking for. Because Venom literally, if you go near him, will give Spider-Man a headache, which stuns him. So your best option for now
What's going on?
is to jump around him and just literally... That was a... No, what that... That was close. He literally will absorb you as well. If you go near him when he's yelling, you'll be stunned, and that's a bad sign. That was good, that was good. I got a good amount there.
My head hurts more every second I'm near Eddie.
Yeah, I noticed. Flip! I got stunned. Oh no, I get an absorption force.
No! Something about Eddie. I can't stay close to him for too long. It's killing me.
Ow, that hurt. You might notice I am trying to actually do my combo on him. Well, it's kind of dull to just keep attacking him like this. But let's be honest, it's probably easier and safer. Except when that happens. Ow. Oh no, I'm stunned. Yeah, that happens if you stay near him for too long. Right, 4-hit combo on him. We're doing good. We've almost got him. He's almost through. I can do it. I think I've got this now. Come on. Fall already, you flipping Venom. Yes, we did it. Don't have to take him all the way down.
Don't make me hurt you, Eddie. I'm totally serious.
Ow.
Brock, sit.
You guys with S.H.I.E.L.D.? You're in the way!
What the heck is going on here?
Tango down. Prep for evac.
Wait, what? What the heck? Who are these guys? Who are they working for?
Hey! What is this? What's going on?
Nothing that concerns you.
My bruised ribs beg to differ.
Silver Sable's a flipping mercenary, so she's obviously working for somebody who's paying her a lot of money.
Sure. I'll just stay here and, oh, nuts.
Sorry, Spidey. Yeah, you're out the picture. Now let's get the next mission out of the way by doing these. Let's see. Only one side mission to do. Let's go hunt it down. That's easy enough. Just go do one of these and then binga-winga-ding-a-ling. We have done this video. Yeah, I'm only going to do this, then I'm going to stop the recording. So let's see what we can find. Anytime now, folks, there's gotta be something here I can do to pass the time. You know, beat up thugs, rescue somebody. Oh, please, for heaven's sake, let it be beat up thugs. This had better be beat up the thugs. I love beating up thugs. Oh, yeah. They got back up again. Ow. There's a flipping gang war.
I'm making my name tonight.
Aha.
Ow! Go!
I died. Wow. You just saw me get beaten by bugs. By flipping... I didn't believe that. What the heck happened? Well, we just saw my first step. That was completely pointless, but whatever. Let's keep going, see what else we can find around here. There's gotta be another city event around here I can do. Just swinging, don't mind me. I'm just swinging away looking for a city event to do. Just looking for something to do. Gotta be something around here. Oh, flip it, disappeared. That's one of the things. That's one of the things I don't like about this game. Is when the city event appears on your map, on the edge. If it's in the opposite direction from where you're going, there is a good chance it'll disappear because you went too far away from it. That, in my opinion, is really annoying. I don't like that feature. See, it happened again! For heaven's sake, I barely moved and it did it. That is such a stupid thing that happens. I mean, yeah, what do you expect? Spider-Man swings places. I know, I'm looking for a city event right now. He swings places, you would think the city event would appear wherever you need to go. Like, a city event will appear, you go to it, but for some reason, they're a lot of the time appearing at the edge of the map in the opposite direction from where you're going. Which, in my opinion, is really, really dumb. Now, where... Oh. How long does it take for a blinking city event to appear on the flipping map? No, seriously, this is not funny, game. Seriously, where are these city events? I've had 2 of them disappear on me. And I don't know where the others are. Come on, where are you?
Help me!
Are you kidding? I was literally going in the opposite direction. I was literally going in the direction and it literally disappeared. Are you flipping serious? Wow. You know what the funny thing is? I have played this game numerous times. And this is the first time I have been so angry at city events for doing this. Because it's never flipping happened. Oh, don't disappear. Oh, yeah, I can do it. I can get to it. That is a total flipping relief.
No, you're the man.
I mean, that was just so annoying. I mean, what the heck happened there? Seriously. 3 red dots disappeared. Yeah, this is seriously city event complaint trade.
Good sailing, Spidey.
Because it's flipping annoying as heck. Well, we've done it now. We've done that. So, guys, I'm going to stop the recording here. See you guys next time for more Ultimate Spider-Man. And let's hope this doesn't happen again. See you next time.